It may surprise you, but Tel Aviv is a city full of believers. Not just any believers, the Ehe Beseder kind of believers. Here, optimism is more than just a word, more than an idea. It's a way of life. That's why in 1948, we felt so optimistic that we declared independence, and the State of Israel was born. In Tel Aviv, you just have to believe. Believe you'll overcome traffic, jellyfish, humidity. At Tel Aviv University, we're optimistic that with imagination and curiosity, we can change reality. As optimists, we believe the longer the road, the greater the rewards. We believe that cancer can be beaten, that algae should be eaten. We believe that climate change can be changed. As optimists, we believe that startups can start anywhere. We believe that the science in music can improve mental health, and that in nano and quantum, TAU will be the one to make the leap. Are you optimistic? Join us on the road to breakthroughs. Optimism at work. Tel Aviv University.